Well, welcome back to part 2 of how to get the chat going live in your stream. In this video, part 2, we're going to talk about how to pop out the chat of the live stream. We'll do a test stream to do that, as well as how to copy the link so that we could later bring it in part 3 into OBS. So let's go right into this and see what the next step is. You can see it right there. We're going to pop out the chat and copy the link. Then we're going to move down the list. So I hope you'll come back for those as well. So now let's go into SuperSource here and show you my screen. So if I hit the go live button, this you can see is a stream set up. I actually have set it to private. So it's not going to go live. You can see right up here in the top, it's private. Okay, we're not going to go live, so we'll close that. I am going to go up here and I'm going to pop out the chat. And then once the chat's popped out, you can see this window. If I enlarge it, you can see now there is this link over here. So it says get overlay link, and that's how simple it is. After you set up your test stream and you make it private, and then you go live from your ATEM, could be an ATEM Mini Pro, Mini Pro ISO, even a web presenter, HD, then you'll be able to copy this link. And once we have this link, now we're going to copy it. So that's all we need to do. What we're going to be able to do now is move over into part 3, and we'll take that copied link and pop it into OBS, and I'll show you how to do that. And then we'll be able to take that to the step 4, and that's go full screen. And then we'll show you finally how to bring that in one of your keys into your live stream. So this is, again, 5-minute boost of your live streaming. And so I hope you're enjoying this. Come back and see us for step number 3. And I am Keith. This is Life Journey Production Studios, and I hope to see you in part 3.